हेलो एवरीबॉडी, आज के इस वीडियो में मैं आपके साथ डिस्कस करने वाली हूँ मोस्ट रिसेंटली आस्क्ड या लेटेस्ट कैबिन क्रू इंटरव्यू क्वेश्चंस जो कि इंडिगो एयरलाइंस के इंटरव्यूज में इन द लास्ट वीक ऑफ जून में पूछे गए थे। मैंने पार्ट 1 और पार्ट 2 ऑफ जून भी बना रखा है। अगर आप वो रेफर करना चाहते हैं तो यू कैन हैव अ लुक एट माई चैनल प्लेलिस्ट, उसमें मैंने ऑलरेडी अपडेट कर रखा है। इसके अलावा लास्ट वीक ऑफ जून में जो इंटरव्यूज कंडक्ट हुए थे उनमें जो क्वेश्चंस पूछे गए हैं वो मैंने गैदर किए हैं कुछ और कैंडिडेट से। सारे क्वेश्चंस के, जैसे कि मैं हमेशा बोलती हूँ, सैम्पल आंसर्स में डिस्कस नहीं करूंगी जो कि मतलब रिपीटेटिव है या जो कि इतने इम्पोर्टेंट नहीं है या सेल्फ एक्सप्लेनेटरी मुझे लगते हैं। लेकिन जो इम्पोर्टेंट है, जो सेल्फ एक्सप्लेनेटरी नहीं है, जिसमें थोड़ी और आपको एक्सप्लेनेशन की ज़रूरत है, उनके सैम्पल आंसर्स मैं आपके साथ डिस्कस करूंगी। तो चलिए शुरू करते हैं। मेरा नाम है रचना, वेलकम टू माई चैनल। सबसे फर्स्ट क्वेश्चन जो है वो है बिगेस्ट स्ट्रेंथ का। ठीक है, ऑलवेज रिमेंबर कि जब भी आपसे स्ट्रेंथ के बारे में पूछे या आपको क्या चीज़ सबसे ज़्यादा पसंद है, ऐसे सब कोई भी चीज़ अगर पूछा जाए तो हमेशा रिमेंबर टू आंसर समथिंग विच इज़ रिलेटेड टू अ कैबिन क्रू जॉब रोल। ओके, सो यू विल बी एबल टू टॉक मोर, यू विल बी एबल टू रिलेट टू the job role requirements. ठीक है, if somebody asks me what are my biggest strengths, I would say I am somebody who's a calm personality. I like managing stressful situations. I am quite adaptable and flexible in my approach towards all the upcoming situations that I'm yet to face as well. इसके अलावा you can say that I have strong interpersonal skills. I like to communicate to people. I am in short a people's person. I can talk to anybody and everybody. I can bridge the gap and break an ice with starting conversations with people, and because of this I am quite approachable in my nature. इतने सारे एग्जाम्पल्स हैं जो समवेयर और दी अदर एक कैबिन क्रू के जॉब रोल को सूट करते हैं। ठीक है, तो नेक्स्ट क्वेश्चन इज व्हाई इंडिगो। ये क्वेश्चन बहुत ही स्टैंडर्ड क्वेश्चन है जो कि बहुत बार पूछा जाता है। ठीक है, सो इफ आई हैड टू आंसर दिस क्वेश्चन आई वुड से बिकॉज ऑफ इट्स कमिटमेंट टूवर्ड्स public service. It has been in public service since ages now, okay, and its commitment is really unmatchable. Today it holds the highest stakes in our country's airline operations. So its commitment to public service, also its dedication towards its own employees, is commendable. It actually is a true example of empowering women. It is a company that empowers women in every way possible. So that is one of the reasons that motivates me to get a job in this company. अगर मुझसे ऐसा सवाल पूछा जाता तो मैं ये जवाब देती। इसके अलावा नेक्स्ट क्वेश्चन दैट वाज आस्क्ड इज इफ यू गेट एन अपॉर्चुनिटी टू ट्रैवल टू एनी डोमेस्टिक और इंटरनेशनल ट्रिप, which one will you choose and why? If I had to answer this question, I would choose both the destinations. I enjoy traveling domestically and I also enjoy internationally. Domestically, since I live away from home, I would prefer going home because home is where your heart is and my heart is always going to be at home. So if I ever had an opportunity to travel domestic, it would always be traveling to home. I am from Bangalore and I would love to travel to my city. इसके अलावा internationally, my most fondest memory was when I traveled to Hong Kong Disneyland. It was because it brought back a lot of childhood memories that I used to have. I grew up watching those cartoon characters. I grew up feeling the happiness that those cartoons brought to me, all the learnings that those cartoons gave me as a child. So when I visited Disneyland, it brought back all the fondest memories that I had as a child. So these are the two places that I would love to visit over and over again. Next question is your favorite movie. इस चीज़ में मैं आपको ये बोलना चाहूँगी, ये एक सेल्फ एक्सप्लेनेटरी क्वेश्चन है, बट एक चीज़ याद रखना, जब भी आप अपना फेवरेट मूवी, फेवरेट शो, should positively reflect your personality, and apart from that it should also positively showcase your values and integrity. So whatever movie you have in mind, remember that somewhere it showcases your values, somewhere it showcases some kind of a positive learning, your personality. So you'll be able to describe why you're able to relate to it. ठीक है? Next question is who is your role model? Self-explanatory question है. Again, it should positively showcase your personality, your values and integrity. Okay, remember this in your mind before you put out any of your answers. Next question, who do you admire a lot? Again, it is similar to who is your role model. I think self-explanatory here. I will not waste my time on this. Next question is, if not cabin crew, what's your plan B? So if at all First of all, I really am interested or I'm passionate towards working as a cabin crew or working in a sector that requires serving public, that requires service to customers. So let's say my fingers are crossed. If I do not get into the job role of a cabin crew, I would always want to get into a job role where public service is involved. In working with people is something that I'm always looking forward to. Interacting with people is something that I'm really interested. Next question is your hobbies, interests and what you do in your free time के ऊपर मैंने एक वीडियो ऑलरेडी बना रखा है, आप मेरे प्लेलिस्ट में जाके देख सकते हैं and you can refer to that video for better understanding of this topic. ठीक है, तो I will not discuss in this video. Next question is tell me about online gaming platform. So if I had to answer this question, I would say it is a platform where players can connect and collaborate over different online games on the internet. And somewhere I believe that, or something that I learned from this is effective communication and coordination and teamwork. So even an online gaming platform can teach you these things if you use it in the right ways. Next question is favorite memory. Self-explanatory again, like I mentioned about the previous examples. Make sure to mention something which positively affects your personality, your values and your integrity. Next question is if there is a difficult passenger on board, how will you handle? ठीक है, so if there is a difficult passenger on board, how would I handle? I would first try to understand what is wrong, what went wrong. I would listen to him and then I would empathize. Empathy basically means trying to understand or trying to put yourself in the shoes of the other person, trying to understand from his perspective. So I would empathize with him. I would even apologize because if there's something that is really affecting him and he's our guest or he's our passenger, he's our customer, we need to make sure that he's comfortable. If an apology can do wonders, why not? What is wrong in saying sorry? There is nothing wrong. I would empathize with that passenger, apologize to that person. Apart from all these things, just sorry will not do the trick, of course. So I would give him an alternate solution. I would try to find a solution for his problem. And once a solution is found, I would check with him or follow up with him if he's okay with the solution, if he's happy with the changes we've tried to make, if he's happy with the adjustments we've tried to make for him. So these are some of the things that I would do to make sure that the passenger does not leave the aircraft unhappily. Next question is social media. ये इतनी बार पूछ चुका है उन्होंने. I'm sure आप सबको आंसर इसका पता होगा. अगर नहीं पता होगा तो let me know in the comment section. I will make a video on it again. But मैंने पहले भी बहुत सारे वीडियोस में इसके आंसर्स बनाए हैं. ठीक है, तो I'm not going to waste your time and my time. वीडियो ऑलरेडी बहुत लंबा होने वाला है I'm sure, और मैं लंबा नहीं करूँगी. ठीक है. Next question is grooming. Why do you think grooming is important? So if I had to answer this question, I would say that grooming is an essential part, especially for a cabin crew's job role, because somewhere I feel that it maintains a sense of uniformity, helps bring out a positive image of the airline as well. Somewhere there's consistency maintained and it promotes personal hygiene as well. And all these things combined somewhere builds passengers' trust, and passengers will feel a sense of approachability and comfort towards the cabin crew. So these are the factors that I think that make grooming important, especially for a customer service role or for a cabin crew's job role. Next question is what do you know about the arts stream? जो arts, science, arts, commerce के streams होते हैं ना, ये candidate से पूछा गया था because that person was a science student. So they asked her a different streams question that what do you know about the arts stream? So this person mentioned, of course, जो भी उन्होंने आंसर उनको जितना पता था उस स्ट्रीम के बारे में उसके बारे में बोला. And if I had to answer this question, I would say art stream is a unique stream. It is a stream that somewhere promotes critical thinking. It promotes creativity. It bolsters a lot of innovation in a person. So these are some of the things that art stream can do to a student. Next question is global warming and its effects. So जो भी आपको global warming के ऊपर पता है, ये एक school का question है basically. इस पे I'm not going to waste your time and my time, but if you still need an answer, please send me a comment and I will make an answer for you on this as well. Next question is summarize last movie you watched. Again ये एक self explanatory question है. Remember कि जब भी आप अपना मूवी और ये सारी चीज़ें जो मैंने आपको पहले भी एग्जाम्पल दिए, ये सारे टॉपिक्स के ऊपर आप अगर जवाब दे रहे हो तो शुड पॉजिटिवली शोकेस योर पर्सनैलिटी, योर वैल्यूज एंड योर इंटेग्रिटी. ओके, नेक्स्ट क्वेश्चन इज व्हाट इज योर कंफर्ट फूड एंड व्हाई. समवेयर इसमें भी जवाब आपका पॉजिटिव रिफ्लेक्शन ऑफ योर पर्सनैलिटी होना चाहिए. इसके अलावा इफ आई हैड टू आंसर दिस क्वेश्चन, बिकॉज ये कंफर्ट फूड का क्वेश्चन नया है तो मैं इसका जवाब दे देती हूँ. माई comfort food or go-to food is always and will be dal chawal, because somewhere it reminds me of my childhood and especially of my mother. Whenever I was sick during my childhood, I knew that my mom would always make a hot bowl of dal and chawal and give it to me with lot of ghee on top of it, and somewhere that made me feel comfortable, and somewhere I'm able to relate to it very very warmly, because it just shows the care and love that your mothers have for you, and that's why it is always going to be my comfort food. Next question is what change do you want to bring in yourself. जब भी इस सवाल का जवाब दे रहे हो, that means you are trying to showcase your weakness. Okay, ऐसा भी कोई weakness reflect मत करो जो कि बहुत ही extreme होगा from the job role perspective. Okay, so maybe you can say you're an overthinker, your food eating habits are a little bad. जो भी चीज़ें हैं आप अपना वीकनेस या अपने चेंजेस के बारे में बात कर रहे हो, मेक श्योर दैट यू आर ऑल्सो पुटिंग आउट अ पॉजिटिव इम्प्रूवमेंट टूवर्ड्स इट. ओके, मेक श्योर दैट यू आर ट्राइंग टू पुट इट आउट लाइक I do believe that my eating habits have gone a little bad in the past few days. I'm not able to take care of my food eating habits. However, I've realized the importance of it and I am working towards eating right, because I believe that if you want a long, healthy lifestyle, one needs to start acting from the young age itself. Okay, so ऐसा कोई भी जवाब दे रहे हो नेगेटिव जवाब, उसका एक पॉजिटिव स्टेटमेंट जरूर दिखाना that you are already working towards correcting your mistake. Okay, next question is this your first attempt? What did you learn from your last attempt? ठीक है, तो ये इसका जवाब मैंने ऑलरेडी अपने प्रीवियस वीडियोस में दिया हुआ है, बट इफ यू स्टिल वांट मी टू आंसर, यू कैन से दैट whatever you think that you got rejected for, mostly people get rejected for communication skills. You can tell them that I understood the importance of communication skills and I also understood that it is very important to communicate properly, especially if you are dealing or interacting with people, especially if you are into public service, especially if you are into customer service job roles. Communication is the key, and that's why the last time when I got rejected, I worked towards my communication skills and I am confident that this time I have come back with improvement. Next question is what are the challenges you will face if you become a cabin crew? जो basic challenges सबको face करनी पड़ती है generally is sleepless nights. Sometimes you do not have a schedule. It is not a regular 9 to 5 job. Sometimes you are waking up in the night and you're sleeping in the morning. Sometimes you are waking up in the middle of the night and sleeping maybe in the evening. तो ये एक challenge you can mention. You can mention about staying away from family for longer durations of time. You can mention about not being available on festivals. कितनी सारी ऐसी चीज़ें हैं, बट यू हैव टू मेक श्योर, मैंने जैसे आपको बोला था, अगर एक नेगेटिव चीज़ के बारे में आप बात कर रहे हो, एंड अप ऑन अ पॉजिटिव नोट. Say that, but I understand that it's okay even if I'm missing out on these things, even if I'm not able to be home on a festival day. I know that I'll be a part of so many people's memories, I'll be a part of so many people's journeys, making them meet their family members on festivals, and that will be my biggest achievement. Next question is, if there is a conflict between your colleagues, how will you handle it? If basically it means if your colleagues are fighting, what will you do? How will you handle it? First thing that I would do is maintain professionalism. Second thing, I would navigate and get to a middle ground. Third thing is I would make sure that the passengers remain unaffected, obviously, because if your colleagues are fighting or whatever is happening, you will not want the issues that are happening in your work area go to your passengers, or you will never want that to happen to your guests also at home, right? If you have an issue happening in your house, do you want the guests who are in your house present at that moment to publicize everything? Do you want to publicize everything to them? No, you don't want to do that. So what you will do, you will be professional, you will maintain professionalism all the time, you will try to make sure that they both patch up. If they are not able to do that, you will make sure that even if they are not on talking terms, we finish the flight on a good note. We make sure that none of the passengers get affected by it. After your duty gets over, you always have time to sort out all these differences. You'll have your seniors also involved with you. So you can always find a solution later. Okay, but these are some of the steps that you could take when you are in air or when you are in flight. Next question, tell me about your last birthday. Self-explanatory question again. Make sure there is something which is positive about your personality, your values and your integrity. Okay, next question is, tell me about a global burden. What do you think is a global burden? Basically, according to me, I believe that poverty and inequality is a global burden, because I feel that every person has the right to basic needs, which is education, food, shelter and water. And somewhere there is a lot of inequality in this world. There is poverty and not everybody has these basic rights available as well. And somewhere I feel that the gap between the rich and the poor is too much. So this, I believe, is a global burden in today's time. Next question is, talk about mankind, or is AI going to take over mankind? I had to answer this question. I would say AI has the potential to revolutionize many industries by improving efficiency and safety. However, human touch is something that is irreplaceable and that only a mankind or a human can offer. However, I also believe that AI and mankind together, AI and humans together, when they work, somewhere AI can handle the logistics part, personal data management part. However, intuition, empathy, providing a personalized service is always going to be at the hands of a human, or is going to be at the hands of mankind. So I do not believe that AI can completely take over mankind, but somewhere, yes, with the help of AI, he can become a lot more efficient, but a man's job cannot totally be replaced by AI. If I had to answer this question, I would say this. Next question is, what is the difference between culture and heritage according to you? Culture, according to me, is the day-to-day activities that involves people's beliefs, and it shows how people live and interact. However, heritage is about preserving the historical and traditional aspects of a group of people. So if I had to give you an example, I would say languages, social habits, festivals are all part of culture. However, if we talk about an example for heritage, I believe folklore, mythology, monuments, historical artifacts are all examples of heritage in my understanding. So if I had to answer this question, I would probably say this. आज की इस वीडियो में बस इतना ही. अगर आपको किसी भी इंटरव्यू क्वेश्चन में कोई भी क्वेरी है तो फील फ्री टू राइट इट टू मी इन द कमेंट सेक्शन एंड आई विल मेक अ वीडियो फॉर यू ऑन दैट. किसी भी कैबिन क्रू जॉब रिलेटेड पोस्टिंग के बारे में, इंटरव्यूज के बारे में आपको कोई भी डाउट है तो वो भी आप मुझे कमेंट सेक्शन में लिख सकते हैं. मेरे नॉलेज के हिसाब से मेरे को जितना पता होगा उसके बारे में मैं आपको रिप्लाई करके बताऊंगी. जिसके बारे में मुझे चीजें नहीं पता होगी वो भी मैं आपको बोल दूंगी कि मुझे इसका जवाब नहीं आता है. ठीक है. फॉर मोर कैबिन क्रू इंटरव्यू रिलेटेड कॉन्टेंट, ग्राउंड स्टाफ रिलेटेड कॉन्टेंट, एविएशन जॉब रिलेटेड कॉन्टेंट, स्टे ट्यून्ड. थैंक यू वेरी मच फॉर योर टाइम एंड गुड बाय.